Hello students, today we start NP chart, that is also known as number of defectives chart. The word is what? Number of defectives charts. You have to identify using this word that this chart is what? NP chart. Now in NP chart, first we have to find that is P bar, that is sigma x upon n into capital N, right? Over here first we have to understand for what, when. Over here also we are having two cases. First one, that is when sample size, that is our small n, is same and sample size is not same, that is second situation. Today we are talking about when sample size is same. So first we have to find P bar, that is sigma x upon n into n. Sigma x means number of defectives. We have to make total of that. N means number of samples and small n means what? That is over here x is what? Number of defectives. Then n is number of samples. Small n is size of sample. Now using this also we have to find n into P bar, that is sigma x upon n. Right? This is the answer of what? This n over here multiply, then n into P bar is equals to sigma x upon n. Now over here for drawing a chart we find control limits. First we have to find central line, that is n into P bar, that we already find over here. Next we have to find upper control limit, that is UCL, n into P bar plus 3 square root of n into P bar 1 minus P bar. Then we have to find lower control limit n P bar. The change is what? In place of plus over here we have to put minus 3 into n P bar 1 minus P bar. So using these control limits we draw what? Chart. Let me take one example for this NP chart. Now this is the question. This question is from April-May 2016. From a factory manufacturing screws sample of 1000 screws is taken every day. Sample size is what? 1000. So here every day they have to take 1000. Therefore small n is 1000. The number of defective screws in each sample is given below. This is number of defective screws in each sample. Draw number of defective charts. Number of defective chart. Also they have to specify, that is you have to draw what? NP chart. And comment on control of process. Right? Over here n is small n is 1000. Capital N is what? 15. Also over here we have to find, that is sigma x, means sum of these defectives. The total is over here 2444. So now first we have to find P bar, that is sigma x upon n into n. 2444 upon 15 into 1000. 2444 divided by 15,000. Then answer is 0.163. So this is our answer of P bar. Now we have to find n into P bar. N into P bar means what? N is what? 1000 into P bar is 0.163. Then answer is 163. Right? Now we have to find one by one, that is control limits. First we have to find central line, that is n into P bar, that is 163. Next we have to find UCL, upper control limit, that is n into P bar plus 3 square root of n into p bar 1 minus p bar. Now 163 plus 3 square root of 163 1 minus p bar is 0.163. 163 3 square root of 163 0.837. Now over here 163 plus 3 square root of multiplication of this is 136.431. 163 plus 3 into square root of this is 11.680. Now 163 plus this multiplication is 35. Now total of this is 198. So this is the answer of UCL. Now we have to find lower control limit. The formula is n into p bar minus 3 square root of n into p bar 1 minus p bar. Similarly, the same step we have to write over here. The change is what? In place of plus we have to put minus. You have to write all this place. I can write last step, that is 163 minus 35. Then answer 128. So these are the answers. Over here we can write the central line value, that is central line 163, UCL is equals to 198 and LCL that is equals to 128. For drawing a chart we required this values as well as this number of defective screws, right? Because on x-axis we have to take day on or sample number, on y-axis we have to take what? Number of defective screws in NP chart. Now let me draw the graph. Now we draw the chart. This is x-axis. On x-axis we have to take day. Total we are having 15 days. On x-axis we have to take 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis we have to take number of defective screws, right? This is our NP chart, right? Defective screws, the minimum value we are having minimum value, that is 100. Over here we split the numbers, means we have to cut the numbers, means over here we take 1 centimeter and starting from what? 100. Over here also same, 1 centimeter is equals to how many units? Over here we have to take 10 units. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 units, right? Means in between these two we are having 10 lines, right? So 100, 110, 20, maximum we have to take over here 270. Now one by one we draw that control limits. First we have to draw central line. The central line is 163. Now 163 means what? This is 160. Above 160 we have to take how many lines? 3 lines. जो छोटी छोटी लाइंस रहेगी आपके ग्राफ के अंदर, तो उसमें थर्ड लाइन, आप टोटल 10 लाइंस आती है बिटवीन दिस, तो थर्ड लाइन के ऊपर से आपको लाइन ड्रॉ कर देनी है. दैट इज अवर सेंट्रल लाइन. दिस इज अवर 163. नेक्स्ट UCL, दैट इज 198. दिस इज 190. अबव 8 लाइंस, दैट विल गिव यू UCL, दैट इज 198. नेक्स्ट LCL 128. तो दिस इज 120. अबव 8 लाइंस, दैट विल गिव यू LCL, that is 128. Now one by one the number of defectives. In first one 115, that is 110, 120, उसके बीच में 115 आएगा, वो सैंपल 1 का होगा, डे 1 का, तो यहाँ पर रखना है इसे. डे 2 है 217, तो ये हमारा 200 हो गया. 17 तो उसके ऊपर आएगा. 210 के ऊपर 7 लाइंस ज्वाइंट भी करते जाएंगे. फिर 110, तो 110 नीचे आएगा थर्ड के ऊपर 110. नेक्स्ट है 173, तो 170 के अबव 3 आएगा, 3 लाइंस, तो दिस इज अवर 173. नेक्स्ट 115, 115, तो सेम अगेन 115 यहाँ पर आ रहा है, राइट? तो यहाँ पर से वापस नीचे. नेक्स्ट है 164, तो 60 के अबव 4 लाइंस. नेक्स्ट 142, तो 140 उसके ऊपर 2 लाइंस. नेक्स्ट दैट इज 150, दैट इज एग्जैक्ट 150 तो मिल जाएगा यहां पर. नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज 172, 172 70 के ऊपर 2 लाइंस. नेक्स्ट 154, तो 150 के ऊपर 4 लाइंस. नेक्स्ट दैट इज 228, 228, तो 220 के ऊपर 8 लाइंस. आपके ग्राफ पेपर पर ये एकदम परफेक्ट दिखेगा. नेक्स्ट 197, 190 के ऊपर 7 लाइन, तो ये 198 है, राइट. उससे थोड़ा नीचे आएगा. नेक्स्ट दैट इज 142, तो 140 के ऊपर 2 लाइंस, 140 के ऊपर 2 लाइंस. नेक्स्ट दैट इज 265, 265 मीन्स 260 उसके अबव 5 लाइंस. This is 265. Next that is 100, 100 downward. So this is our graph. Now from this graph we have to write down what? Conclusion. यहाँ पर लास्ट में आपको क्या लिखना रहता है? कंक्लूजन. वो आपको सामने के पेज पे लिखना है, ग्राफ पेपर पे नहीं लिखना है. कंक्लूजन इज व्हाट? ओवर हियर वी सी द पॉइंट्स आर not between the UCL as well as LCL. This point, this point, this point, this. Over here many points are falling out of the control limits. That's why the process is not under control, right? So conclusion is what? Here all the points are not falling within the control limits, therefore the process is not under control. So this is our what? NP chart when sample size is same. Clear?